Cybersecurity is something we hear about a lot these days. As we use more technology and store more of our lives online, keeping our data safe is more important than ever. By 2025, cybersecurity will have to be stronger, smarter, and faster. Welcome to Geo Analytix. Today, let's look at what the future of cybersecurity will be like and how we'll protect our data in the years to come. The growing threat. Cyber threats are growing every year. Hackers are constantly coming up with new ways to break into systems and steal information. In 2025, cyber attacks will be more sophisticated. They'll use new tools like artificial intelligence to outsmart traditional security systems. Data breaches, ransomware attacks, and identity theft could become more common and harder to detect. Even the best security measures might face new challenges as hackers get better. AI and automation in cybersecurity. One of the biggest changes in cybersecurity will be the use of artificial intelligence. AI can analyze data much faster than a human, spotting potential threats in seconds. It will help security systems predict and prevent attacks before they happen. AI will also be able to identify patterns of unusual behavior that could signal a hack. Along with AI, automation will allow systems to respond to threats in real time without waiting for human intervention. This could mean that instead of reacting after an attack happens, we'll stop them in their tracks, making the whole process faster and more efficient. The importance of encryption. As cyber threats grow, encryption will become even more important. Encryption is like locking up your personal information in a safe. Even if hackers get into a system, encrypted data is useless to them because it's unreadable without the key. In 2025, we'll need stronger encryption techniques to protect data. New encryption methods will use advanced technology like quantum computing to keep our information secure. Encryption will be used not just for personal data, but for businesses and governments to secure sensitive information. The rise of biometric security. By 2025, passwords might be a thing of the past. In the future, things like fingerprints, face recognition, or even eye scans will be used more. Biometric security will help make systems more secure and easier to access. Security in the cloud. As more businesses move to the cloud, protecting data there will be key. Cloud security will need to get stronger to prevent breaches. Companies will use new tools to ensure data is safe in the cloud. The human factor. Humans are often the weakest link in cybersecurity. Phishing scams and social engineering tricks will still be a risk. In the future, training and awareness will be more important than ever to prevent mistakes. Conclusion. The future of cybersecurity is full of challenges, but also opportunities. AI, stronger encryption, and new security methods will help us stay safe. In 2025, the world will be more connected, and protecting data will be more crucial than ever. To stay safe, we all need to stay ahead of the hackers. Together, we can build a safer, digital world for the future. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos.